Story time with Mr. Traumatic. Right. So, Mia Patrick is walking with her double D tits out. And James Greener comes over with Mr. Oliver's entire class. with his massive 18-inch chode. And slips it into Mia Patrick's nostril. Plus the fattest nut. And then Mia Patrick disintegrates into the atmosphere. This is when Dan, Mason, and John stop having passionate sex. with Mr. Salter. Because they forgot their PE kit. And they go and literally eat James Greener. And then James literally shits inside of them and says, "You're gay." And then Dan and John just die. No. This is when Mr. Ellaway and Dr. Bolton start having passionate love in the canteen. And then they shit on the floor. And that's the end to Mr. Oliver's room in IT5. And he sat on his chair, and one ball and half of his penis is hanging out of his zipper. And I'm like, gosh, what a sight. So I run back to Miss Malone's room, pick up Miss Malone and put her in my pocket, and then sits Miss Malone onto Mr. Oliver's limp penis and get out my prayer mat, sit on it, admire all of the semen stains on the mat, take a big shit on Mr. Oliver, and then I pray to Allah for these beautiful tithings, and then I shout into Mr. Oliver's fucking nostril that he's gay, and he literally kills himself right there and then.
What the hell?